Have you seen this clip icon on some YouTube videos recently? That is what this video is all about. Now, over the past weeks and months, YouTube has been rolling out the clips feature on many channels. Now, if you can't see this yet on your channel, it's because YouTube is still rolling it out, and in the next few weeks or months, it will eventually be visible on your channel. Now, if you are curious and wondering what is this YouTube clips feature, how does it work and all of that, I'll be sharing all that information in this video. Now, if you are a content creator, I'll be sharing some extra tips with you at the end of this video that will give you ways you can leverage this clips feature to grow your YouTube channel. Now, if this is what you're looking for, definitely stick around and let me show you, shall we? Hello and welcome. My name is Tope Aghomatse. If you're new here and you want to learn how to grow your YouTube channel, how to use YouTube to grow your brand or business, or generally learn stuff about YouTube, then start now by subscribing and clicking on that bell so you don't miss anything. Now let's dive in and really check out this new YouTube clips feature. All right, I'm on a YouTube channel that has the clips feature already. And what I want to do now is basically show you how to create a clip. Now, of course, we're going to click on the clip icon to see what happens. On the right side here, you can see there is a pop-up. And before we do anything on this pop-up, I want us to learn more about creating clips. I'm going to pause this video to avoid distractions. And let's click on this information button and see what comes up. So what is a clip? Now, YouTube says a clip is a short looping part of a video or live stream. Now, it's like a GIF with sound. Now, you want to create your own clips, watch any video allowing clipping, then tap clip below the video, then clips you create will show up in your library. Yes, we got it. That's what clips are all about. And let's get started with creating one. By default, 15 seconds of this video where I stopped watching has been selected. And I want to just show you that these can be reduced to a shorter clip. Right now we have 7 seconds, and it can also be increased to a longer clip. Now we have 21 seconds. Okay, now you can see here that it's required to create a title for your clip, right? So I'm going to title this clip test 3 and click on share clip. So you have the share pop-up here, and it's suggesting all the social media platforms you can share this on, right? Now, apart from being able to share directly from here, just like any other YouTube video, I'm sure you're familiar with this pop-up. You can copy this and paste it anywhere the way you would paste your normal YouTube links, right? And so I'm going to test this now by copying and pasting this in a browser and see where it leads us to. Awesome. We are on the clip I just created. I'm going to pause this video to avoid any distraction. And so we can see here, clip test 3, clipped 31 seconds ago. Awesome. And I can watch the clip. Now I can still see that there's a full video of 20 minutes here. But if you note, the part I'm watching is this 21-second part that will keep looping and looping and looping. It won't play the rest of the video. Why? Because I'm watching a clip. Now, if I want to watch the entire video, if I found the clip interesting, I'll just click watch full video and it would open up the entire video for me. All right, so now we are watching the full video. As you can see, the highlighted section is gone. Now, quickly, let me show you where this clip is saved on your channel. Go to your channel with the top right icon, right? And right inside your channel, you will find your clips on the left panel. Can you see the clips tab? Awesome. Now, this is the clip I just created, clip test 3. Now this is where you will find all the clips you create. You can also find it in your library. If you click on your library, you will find a lot of playlists and all of that. And at the bottom, you would also find your clips. Now, here are some things you need to know about YouTube clips. Number 1, the clips you create from other people's content on YouTube does not become your content. Neither can you post them on your channel as a new upload, right? Number 2, YouTube clips you create are automatically saved in your YouTube library, as you can see. Now, number 3, when people click on any clip you have created, it opens up on the YouTube channel that owns the full video. What this means if you are a creator is that clips are not driving traffic to your channel, right? Get it? Now, I personally believe the YouTube clips feature was introduced more with the viewers in mind than the content creators on the platform, those that have YouTube channels, those that post videos. I feel this feature is meant to improve the viewers' experiences and also increase ways by which content can be shared and enjoyed. Now, what can you do to leverage this if you are a creator? Now, you can use clips you've created from other creators, of course, to help people in your network with relevant information just to build goodwill. Now, such clips can be important updates, announcements, and so on. Now, as a creator, the best way to enjoy the benefits of this YouTube clips feature is to create very useful content yourself that is worth sharing. Now, if your viewers find your videos interesting enough, they will also make clips from your content and share. All right, so the goal here is to go all out, create lots and lots and lots of valuable content, and have people clipping away, sharing with their friends, and bringing more traffic to your channel. I hope you loved that golden tip. Now, to learn more ways you can grow your YouTube channel, check out the playlist up here and get more juicy tips from me. Now, that's it right there. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video, and until then, keep showing up and keep crushing it. Bye.